Learn Hindi business words. Advantage to savings in
Hindi.
Welcome to Smart Words. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi words for business, money, and daily decisions. And yes, we will do it without sounding like a boring spreadsheet in shoes. Today you will learn 8 key words. Advantage is
फायदा.
disadvantage is
नुकसान.
benefit is
लाभ.
added value is
अतिरिक्त मूल्य.
resource is
संसाधन.
effort is
प्रयास.
cost is
लागत.
and savings is.
बचत.
Imagine you are running a tiny shop, planning a trip, or just trying to buy mangoes without financial drama. These words will help you talk about good choices, bad choices, value, time, money, and work. The market of good ideas. Picture yourself entering a noisy market. Every stall is trying to sell you something amazing, or at least pretending very confidently. A smiling shopkeeper waves at you and says, "This plan gives you."
फायदा.
That means advantage. Another shopkeeper whispers, "Yes, but there is one."
नुकसान.
That means disadvantage. A third one, clearly the philosopher of the market, strokes his imaginary beard and says, "The real
लाभ.
is long-term." That means benefit. Then you see a premium tea stall with music, fancy cups, and dramatic smoke for absolutely no reason. The owner says, "This packaging gives
अतिरिक्त मूल्य.
added value." Nearby, a student points to books, water, and a laptop and says, "These are my
संसाधन.
resources." Meanwhile, you are carrying too many bags and muttering, "This takes
प्रयास.
effort." Then you check the bill and gasp, "What is this?"
लागत.
Cost. Finally, you decide to buy one thing instead of 7 shiny nonsense objects, and suddenly you have
बचत.
savings. Congratulations! You survived the market and your wallet survived too. Mini meanings, big memory. Now let's lock the meanings into your brain. Nicely. No hammers required. Advantage equals
फायदा.
think. Something helps you get ahead. Knowing the route is a.
फायदा.
Disadvantage equals
नुकसान.
think. The downside. High price can be a.
नुकसान.
Benefit equals
लाभ.
think. A useful positive result. Exercise has
लाभ.
added value equals
अतिरिक्त मूल्य.
think. Extra worth, not just extra glitter. Good service creates
अतिरिक्त मूल्य.
resource equals
संसाधन.
think. Something useful you can use, like time, water, money, books, or skills. Time is a limited.
संसाधन.
Effort equals
प्रयास.
think. Work you put in. Learning Hindi takes
प्रयास.
cost equals
लागत.
think. What something requires in money, and sometimes more than money. The total
लागत.
is high. Savings equals
बचत.
think. Money you keep for later. Monthly.
बचत.
Feels very grown up. Funny dialogue at the tea stall. Listen to this little scene and notice how the words work together. Also notice that one person is definitely too excited about tea. A. Should we buy this fancy tea machine? B. Maybe. 1.
फायदा.
Is speed. A. True, but 1.
नुकसान.
Is the noise. It sounds like a helicopter marrying a blender. B. Fair point. But the health
लाभ.
of homemade tea is nice. A. And this special filter adds.
अतिरिक्त मूल्य.
Right? B. Yes, but only if we actually use it and do not turn it into kitchen decoration. A. What
संसाधन.
do we need? B. Water, tea leaves, cups, electricity, and patience. Mostly patience. A. How much
प्रयास.
will it take? B. Less than learning to make latte art shaped like a peacock. A. And the
लागत.
B. A bit high now, but maybe long term.
बचत.
Later. A. So the machine is smart? B. Maybe. Or maybe we just really love gadgets. Say it with me. Now repeat after me slowly. This part is great for audio practice, so give your voice a chance to join the party. Advantage.
फायदा.
Disadvantage.
नुकसान,
benefit,
लाभ,
added value,
अतिरिक्त मूल्य,
resource,
संसाधन,
effort,
प्रयास,
cost,
लागत,
savings.
बचत,
Quick practice sentences. Let's make the words useful right away. You do not learn a word just to frame it and hang it on a wall. This plan gives us an advantage. In Hindi, Yaha Yojana Hamam.
फायदा,
Dedi high. A major disadvantage is the high cost. In Hindi, Isaka bara.
नुकसान,
Umsi.
लागत,
High. Exercise has a clear benefit. In Hindi, Vyayama ka spasta.
लाभ,
High. Good design adds added value. In Hindi, Acha Dizena.
अतिरिक्त मूल्य,
Jarada high. Time is a limited resource. In Hindi, Samaya eka simita.
संसाधन,
High. Your effort will bring results. In Hindi, Tumara.
प्रयास,
Parinama lega. We checked the cost before buying. In Hindi, Hamane karadane se pahale.
लागत,
Jamchi. Savings can help in emergencies. In Hindi,
बचत,
Apatakala mem madada kara sakati hai. Tiny quiz, no panic. Time for a quick quiz. If you miss one, that is fine. Even dictionaries had to start somewhere. What is the Hindi word for advantage?
फायदा,
What is the Hindi word for disadvantage?
नुकसान,
What is the Hindi word for benefit?
लाभ,
What is the Hindi phrase for added value?
अतिरिक्त मूल्य,
What is the Hindi word for resource?
संसाधन,
What is the Hindi word for effort?
प्रयास,
What is the Hindi word for cost?
लागत,
What is the Hindi word for savings?
बचत,
Memory tricks you will actually remember. Here are a few silly images to make the words stick. The stranger the image, the better your brain behaves. 4.
फायदा,
Imagine a runner wearing rocket shoes and shouting, I have an advantage. 4.
नुकसान,
Imagine a shiny bicycle with one flat tire. Great bike, sad tire, classic disadvantage. 4.
लाभ,
Imagine a golden gift box opening after you make a good choice. 4.
अतिरिक्त मूल्य,
Imagine a plain potato putting on sunglasses and becoming premium. 4.
संसाधन,
Imagine a toolbox filled with books, water, chargers, and snacks. Truly a heroic resource collection. 4.
प्रयास,
Imagine yourself climbing a hill while your motivation gives a speech. 4.
लागत,
Imagine a giant receipt following you around like a dramatic ghost. 4.
बचत,
Imagine a happy piggy bank wearing a crown and saying, Future me says thank you. Friendly conclusion. You did great. Seriously, that was a solid chunk of useful Hindi. Today you learned advantage,
फायदा,
disadvantage,
नुकसान,
benefit,
लाभ,
added value,
अतिरिक्त मूल्य,
resource,
संसाधन,
effort,
प्रयास,
cost,
लागत,
and savings.
बचत.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and use them in your own sentences. A little.
प्रयास,
Every day brings a big.
लाभ,